Today we're going to be talking about common no-code terms and why you need to know them. What is the difference between a native and a PWA app? A native app is an application that you download to your phone and you don't need to use the internet. A PWA app cannot be used if you're not connected to the internet. It won't work. What are some examples of a native and a PWA? A native app is an app that you download from the Google Play Store, the Apple Store, whatever you want, and you can be using it offline. A PWA app is an application that you're just going to be using in the web browser, and you're not going to be downloading it generally. Now, to note, there is something called a hybrid app, where you're using part native and part progressive web app. This allows you to have a mixture of features. Because this can be really confusing with all of these different terms, what I would really have you focus on is what kind of app are you trying to create? What kind of user experience do you need? From there, then you can determine what platform would be best to create a native app or a PWA. For example, Adalo allows you to create native apps and PWAs. Softer and Bubble allow you to create PWAs. Instead of trying to pick sides, or you're going to say, well, I need to just do something that is only native or only PWAs. Imagine that you're taking a trip and there's different routes to get to your destination. Focus on point A to point B. Think about where you are now, where your users are, and where they're trying to get. Don't get really caught up into deciding that you need one or over the other. Write down the features, how you're going to be taking that trip, how you're going to get to your destination, and then you can reverse engineer and find out the best solution for your case. In the comment section down below, let me know what you're working on and where you are. Are you in the idea phase? You're just thinking about something, or are you building and now you're stuck and you feel like, well, maybe I've got to do a native app or PWA app instead? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video.